This is the code for generating random combination of components. So what I have done is, uh, here in the folder I have these I have these lists. So one is called micro. So if I open this, so here is a list of all the microcontrollers, and then we have input list which has button, switch, potentiometer, keypad and touchscreen written, one item per line. Then we have a list for sensors which has all the different sensors. So I have written 4. You can add more sensors to it. Then we have something displays which has single LED, LCD display, OLED display, 7 segment display, touchscreen display. And we also have a we can just delete this file. So we have these 4 files, and then we have a script name as GUI.py. uh, so here is the script. If I go over here and click on run module, this box appears, the script appears, and then here are all the uh, 4 lists that we have written. So now if I click on here, which is shuffle button, a random combination appears which says STM32F103CT6, which is blue pill, plus Neo 6M GPS plus potentiometer plus 7 segment display. So this can be made into a embedded system project, and if I click on it again, I get a different combination. It says uh, okay. So if I click on here and click on shuffle, I get a combination called as Raspberry Pi plus GY61, which is a uh, accelerom 3D 3-axis gyroscope. Then we have potentiometer and touchscreen display. So we can make a project which displays the uh, tilt angle and all on a touchscreen display using Raspberry Pi. And a potentiometer can be used to change settings, or and we can generate more ideas like that. So ATtiny2313 plus MQ5 plus potentiometer plus LCD display. Maybe LCD display is a bit too much for ATtiny2313, but it can. But if we remove it LCD display, we can make a project on potentiometer, MQ5 and ATtiny2313. Instead of LCD display, we can use a buzzer. So this can be made into a project itself. So, and if we want to generate all the combinations, so we can click on this generate button. As we click on here, we will get a file called as combinations.txt over in your folder. So let me just create a, so see, it is updated. So it is combination.txt, and it says we have created about 1300 combinations. Okay, so now if I open this file, so here are all the combinations. So Arduino Uno plus Neo 6M GPS button plus single LED. So these are all the combinations of the project you can use. You can get an idea, or so these are all the project ideas you can generate. You can add more components to this. You can add more component to this list, and it will uh, generate all the possible combinations with this. Keep so it is just a random selection. So pick 16F877A plus ultrasonic plus keypad plus a LCD display. It is also a very good project idea. You can name something it. Thank you.